Credit card on Temu. Hey everyone, all good? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. In this update, I'll show you how to add a credit or debit card using the Temu app. Like this kind of video? We have more related content on the channel. Subscribe, like, and I'll keep making helpful videos for you. Let's begin. There's a video on how to register if you haven't already. To add payment, click the option at the bottom. You'll see some options. Click Settings at the top. After that, click on your payment methods. Here you can add a credit or debit card. Just tap the orange button. Here you'll enter your personal info, credit or debit card number, expiration date, and the CVV or CVC code. You can find the CVV or CVC code on the back of your card. Your billing address will appear here. Then just click Add your card below to confirm. Got it? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe for more tutorial videos. That's all for now. Take care and God bless. Thanks.